Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today our topic is history of Pakistan. This session represents the history of Pakistan from the partition of British India 1947 to the present. For discussion of the earlier history of the region, see India. Background to partition. The call for establishing an independent Islamic state on the Indian subcontinent can be traced to a 1930 speech by Sir Muhammad Iqbal, a poet philosopher and at a time president of All India Muslim League. It was his argument that the four northwestern provinces and regions of British India, Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab, and Northwest Frontier Province, now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, should one day be joined to become a free and independent Muslim state. The limited character of this proposal can be judged from its geographic rather than demographic dimensions. Whilst Pakistan included only those Muslims residing in the Muslim majority areas in the northwestern quadrant of the subcontinent. Next is the Muslim League and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Long before the British invaded and seized control of the subcontinent, Muslim armies had conquered the settled population in the rolling flatland that stretched from the foothills of the Hindu Kush to the city of Delhi and the Indo-Gangetic Plain and eastward to Bengal. The last and most successful of the Muslim conquerors was the Mughal dynasty in 1526 to 1857, which eventually spread its authority over virtually the entire subcontinent. British superiority coincided with Mughal decline and following a period of European success and Mughals. Less than 3 decades after the revolt, the Indian National Congress was formed to give political representation to British India's indigenous people. Although membership in the Congress was open to all, Hindu participants overwhelmed the Muslim members. The All India Muslim League, organized in 1906, aimed to give Muslims a voice so as to counter what was perceived as the growing influence of the Hindus under British rule. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Pakistan founder Muhammad Ali Jinnah delivering a speech in this picture. You can see. And here is the total history of Pakistan. During the period, the Jinnah-led Muslim League was substantially less aggressive in seeking immediate British withdrawal. The difference between the two groups war of Germany and Japan set the scene for the drama that resulted in the partition. Birth of the new state. Like India, Pakistan achieved independence as a dominion within the Commonwealth in August 1947.